hard disk using 100%. Hello and welcome to this presentation on ways to solve the problem of your hard disk using 100%. If you are experiencing slow computer performance, freezing or unresponsiveness, it's possible that your hard disk is running at full capacity. Here are some ways to address the issue. First, check for malware. Malicious software can cause your hard disk to be used successfully. Use an anti-malware program to scan your computer and remove any detected threats. I recommend to you the 360 Total Security. It's a great program I have been using for like 6 years and I have nothing to complain about it. The next thing that I'm going to tell you is close unnecessary programs. Some applications can use a lot of resources and cause your hard disk to be used successfully. Make sure to close any programs that you are not using, and you can do this by opening the task manager and look for programs by CPU or disk usage to see which one are using the most resource. You are going to the inferior corner, click the right button, go to task manager, and here we are going to click on CPU. That way we can see which programs are using a lot from the system. As I am recording using the OBS, it is using a lot, just like Google Chrome. But see what you are not using and close it by clicking with the right button and end task. Another solution is to disable the Superfetch service. The Superfetch service is a Windows service that can cause your hard disk to be used successfully. To disable, follow these steps. First of all, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box and type the service.msc and press enter. Then you are going to scroll down to find the Superfetch service or click S until find it. I don't have this service in my computer anymore, so it won't show up. But let's say you find out. Click with the right button, go to properties, go to startup type, it will be on automatic, go to disable, press apply, press OK. Another thing you can do is also check for and fix any disk errors. I would recommend to you a program called CCleaner. It's free, you can download it, and with the CCleaner opened, you are going to perform cleaning, analyze, and then run cleaning. I'm not going to do that because I don't need it, but do it, it will help you a lot. You can also go to register, look for errors, and in this one I'm going to verify, no, for backup, and for me there are 544. There are a lot. We click and correct it all, and that's it. That is another method. Lastly, consider upgrading your hard disk. If you are using an old or slow hard disk, it may be time to upgrade to a faster and more efficient one. A solid state drive, an SSD, it's a great option for boosting your computer performance. In summary, there are several ways to solve the problem of a hard disk using 100%. Check for malware, close unnecessary programs, disable Superfetch, check for and fix disk errors, and consider upgrading your hard disk. By following those steps, you can improve your computer performance and prevent future problems. So for the next step, you are going to Windows and write cmd. Then press with the right button, run as administrator. And here you are going to write something that I'm going to put on the description below, because it's a little bit hard to say and you may do not understand. The first thing you have to write is that, like I said, will be in the description below. All the thing you have to do is copy and paste. Press OK. Then you're going to write another thing. In this part you're going to write Y and press OK. As I don't need to do it, I'm not going to do, but you're going to press Y and OK. Now for the last method, we are going to do something right here. We are going to Windows, we are going to Settings, then we are going to System. In the left corner, we are going to Notifications and Actions. Here, Notification and Actions, we are going to look for Get Tips, Tricks and Suggestions as you use Windows. It will be marked, you press Off. That usually is the solution for your problem, and that's the last method that I have for you guys. There will be a part 2 of this video if this method or any of the methods that I told you guys Worked for you, please leave a comment below. If you aren't a subscriber, please subscribe, and I see you in the next video.